Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Tool Talk Tuesday. Today we're going to take a look at the Draper Expert Evolution 3-ton jack. Let's go. Okay, so here she is, the Draper Expert Evolution 3-ton jack. This is one of the nicest jacks on the market today. It actually has a range from 100mm all the way up to 580mm. This is one special piece of machinery. Draper has really hit it out of the park with these jacks. These jacks are really made for sort of race teams and people who really love their motor vehicles. It's a very heavy jack. It's actually made for workshop use. The jack weighs around the 43 kilo mark, so it is quite heavy. You're not really going to be able to do it as a one-person lift in and out of cars or anything like that. So it's really made for a workshop. The impressive thing about this is this has a minimum height of 100mm and it ranges up to 580mm. But what's really impressive about it is it does it in 4.5 pumps. And that's crazy. Like most jacks would take at least 10 pumps to 12 pumps. This does it in 4.5 pumps, and I'll demonstrate that later for you. Also, body design, really super slick. It looks fantastic. There's not too many out on the market today like this. It comes with 5 grease nipples. You have one here, which is lubricates this area here. You also have them on the front wheels as well. Keep the wheels nice and free spinning. You have them on the back here as well. There's 2 here. That actually keeps your ram and everything well lubricated in that area. Makes it much easier when you're actually jacking up the vehicle. So of course it comes with twin pumps. Really easy to use. Very smooth operation through the Evolution. The other thing is, we take a close look at the wheels. They're actually got a special coating. So if you've got one of those really nice floors in the garage, like I said, like in a race shop or anything like that, it's not going to mark your floor like some of the other just steel wheels on some of the jacks. These are got a special coating on them and they're not going to mark your floor, so that's really important as well. Just comes with a round pad, protects the bottom of the vehicle so it's not going to damage it, scratch it, anything like that. As I said, low profile, 100mm. It's only we're only talking 4 inches, so that's quite low for any sort of car. So as you can see, it's quite a large jack. The jack itself measures around 800mm long. A really nice wide body, 280 wide, so it gives a really good footprint. It's not going to topple over or anything like that. The handle itself is like 1250 long. It's actually got plenty of length. So as you can see, this jack is a twin piston jack. Also, what's really cool is you can actually remove the handle quite easy. It doesn't need a bolt. You actually just pop that back and that will let the handle come out. So with most hydraulic jacks, when you need to bleed the jack, you actually turn the handle into the off position, so as if you were lowering the vehicle. And what that does is, as you pump, you will see it'll just raise the jack only slightly, and what that does is it gets rid of any air that's in the line or in the system, and you just pump it a few times. If it's a brand new jack, I would suggest to do that maybe 30 seconds, just keep pumping. That will get rid of all the air out of the line. Then you'll simply tighten it back up, and what I really like about this jack is this will go from 100 to 580mm in 4.5 pumps. So let's have a look at this. So this is 1 pump, 2, 3, 4, it's already nearly there, probably 4.25, and it sits at 580mm. That's a heap of height under your car. And watch how smooth this is when I let it down. Just put in, you can actually put the handle in any position, but watch how smooth this is as you let it go down. There's no jumping. Some jacks have a bit of a jump and anything like that. This will just drop down. It's only, you can bring it down a little bit faster if you like, but it just shows you how smooth this jack is. Then tighten it back up once it's in position. The other thing I wanted to show you with the actual handle, the handle, if you've got a car, once you push it right underneath, say you're on the cross member or from the side of the car on the rail, this handle will stop in any position. Some jacks, the handle will have to be all the way up or all the way down. This handle, you can put it in any position and it will actually stop exactly where you want it to stop. Some vehicles, you have to have it up all the time and it's going to bump into your bumper bar or anything like that, maybe scratch the paint. It also comes with a nice protective padding so it leans up against your vehicle and it's not going to scratch it as well. I'm really pumped about this jack. It really kicks up. Now, but all seriousness, Draper has done really well with this jack. The actual jack itself retails from us around $700 cheaper than its competition. It's a 3-ton jack. It's great for workshops, race teams, any of that sort of business. And if you're a car lover, you'll absolutely love it. I really recommend it. If you want to see it here in store at Tool Central at Seven Hills, I've also got one on my truck, a Tool Central Roadshow truck, traveling around. You can give me a call, hit us up through all our social media. Check out Tool Central online, Tool Central Roadshow on Facebook, and also our YouTube channel, Tool Central Garage. Until next time, I'll see you all then. See ya.